Hey, what's up, beardsmen and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And today I've got another product for you, and it's from Gentle Vikings, Groom and Brew Gentle Vikings, just to be specific. And it's been a while since I did my last review about the brand, and this video is especially made for, also the products. Is especially made for our bearded bros, bearded fellows out there. So if you want to know more about this product, just keep watching. Anyway, what product am I talking about? It's Groom and Brew by Gentle Vikings. What's this? Where you at? It's Solomon Handlebar Stash Wax or Mustache Wax. You saw me using the product early on this video, so that's as simple as it is to use, but not quite. Okay, I will explain further as I go along. And the official release of this product was in January 31st of this year, so I say it is a fairly new product. This mustache wax is a water-based cream. So its purposes, as you can see, is to style and tame your unruly or stubborn mustache. Like mine, it's already that long, but it's not that thick. Although the growth is somehow, it feels kind of annoying most of the time. So I'm glad JL Luga sent me this mustache wax for me to try out, and of course make this review based on my opinion and my opinion alone. The way I use it, how I use it, my thoughts on it, recommendation, yeah, all that kind of stuff. So this mustache wax, I'd like to say it's very tacky, it's grippy, it looks and feels like your water-based pomade, but then I wouldn't recommend it since it's very tacky and sticky and thick and all those kind of stuff, as based on, see my mustache, how it holds on to the hair. And before I continue, if you wanna purchase this mustache wax, you'll get this 20-gram slider tin can. It's 20 grams. Hey, open up. Oh, there. It's open. See? It's that easy. Yeah. So yeah, 20-gram slider tin can, and it retails for just a very affordable 280 pesos. And the scent, it has fresh. Would I say fresh with that? Yeah, I think so. It's fresh cologne type scent, I think, and it has a hint of citrus. It smells a bit tangy. Yeah, something like that. And okay, for the ingredients, I'll just put it right there. Just take your time reading it if you're into that, because it doesn't have this one. Then of course the mustache wax doesn't have the stick-on label for the other information, important information such as ingredients, directions, and all that kind of stuff, because I think for me that's important too. But I've talked to JL, the owner of Gentle Vikings, and he will consider putting the labels in the back. So anyway, let's take a look inside the actual product. So what we have here inside, you see this very thick, dense type of product. There's nothing unusual to it, just by looking at it. There's nothing special to it. It has a khaki color, as you can see right here. And scooping it out definitely needs a back of the nail scraping, because like I've said, it's very thick, it's very dense. Not very, I say a lot of very, but it is very thick, it is dense, it's tough to scoop out with the tip of your finger. So yeah, it's preferably better to scoop out with the back of your nail or your nail. And so melting it down, the way I do it is I just press it against my thumb and my pointer finger, just like so, just to make the product usable. And right there, as you can see, it has a very thick consistency, and the texture is very tacky, yes, sticky, paste-like, and you can see those peaks that's sticking out. It looks more like a fiber clay or fiber paste, if you're familiar with that. So there you go. Do I need to explain further? So the way I use it, first of all, just a warning. Is it a warning? A caution? Maybe a disclaimer. I do not suggest you use this product as a standalone product. I would recommend that you use both beard oil and beard balm for ease of use, because using it as a standalone product may result to a lot of mustache hair tugs and pulls, if you know what I mean. You're gonna rip out all your mustache and you're left with I don't know, nothing. You don't want to do that, trust me. I know and I have experienced it. So yeah, maybe you'll learn from my mistakes, and yeah, I did learn from my mistakes. So take that as a precautionary measure. Okay, if you don't know what I'm saying, Gentle Vikings also specializes in yeah, of course, like this one, selling beard care products, and they also have sell beard oil and beard balm. So like this one, yes, before I applied the product, I used the mustache wax. I did put applied of course the beard oil first, then I use Groom and Brew's yeah, Gentle Vikings beard balm. If you know what I mean, then yeah, you probably get it, right? So there's your combo, beard oil first, then beard balm, then your mustache wax. Yeah, so combo, there. You can see that, right? Okay, I'll just hold it right up like that, here. So you have a triple threat combo. So pros and cons about the product. I think pros for me, it does really holds up to its name, mustache wax. Yeah, waxy. It grips right onto your beard hair, just like so. Yeah, saw that right. And even though it's a water-based cream, although I wouldn't say cream because cream has to have a creamy texture, but then this is so waxy, so even though it doesn't matter. And also I think it will hold up for the rest of the day. Just no sweaty or sudden what do you call this, forceful or yeah, some kind of activities like that, because it will definitely affect the hold and endurance of the product. And also I would suggest that you do not wet your mustache, or you will get clumps of wax, mustache wax in there, so it will not look good. It will definitely look nasty. We wouldn't want that. And yeah, that's what I've experienced. The cons, maybe, yeah, just don't apply water. Don't use water to soften it up. You'll definitely get those clumps or grainy feeling and texture, those white kind of clumps on the mustache. So that's not a good look. So I think that's the only pros and cons for me. But maybe I'll just add a little bit more for the cons. Yeah, I'll take back what I said about the pros, that it will hold up you know, the hold for the rest of the day. But I think based on my experience, it didn't work like that. So I would suggest that you take this with you whenever you would go outside, because by the size of it, it's very convenient. It's very handy. You can just stick it in your pocket or in your bag, fanny pack, I don't know, body bag, sling bag, things like that. That's the hype right now, right? So yeah, it's very handy. You can just throw it in there, you know, then slide it open, and then take a little, and yeah, voila, you're good to go. And as you can see here, yeah, you saw it, right? I've used a lot already, and if you think that's not a lot, then you don't know what you're talking about. So anyway, my thoughts about the product: I think this is a very good product. Just don't use it as a pomade, or maybe you can, but use at your own risk. Don't blame me if you go bald or anything like that. Yeah, I think you should grab one for yourself. Yeah, it's just type away, you know. It's easy to just contact your online seller. Yeah, for 280 pesos, you can't go wrong with it. And of course, for the local brand, I think Gentle Vikings is the only one that has this type of product that I know of. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, that's what I think. So anyway, yeah, this is the only one I've seen so far by a local brand, so that's a plus for us beard bros, beard brothers, beard fellows. So yeah, there. And the scent is also great. Yeah, that sweet, sweet cologne, fresh sweet cologne type scent. Yeah, there you go. I'm mixing things up. So anyway, that will be it for my review of Gentle Vikings Solomon Handlebar Stash Wax Water-Based Cream. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this video helps a lot, and also helps you consider or help you decide to purchase it or not. So just hit me up in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about it. Alright, and also I'll just leave a link to Gentle Vikings social media pages, and you can check it out, all of their product offerings and stuff like that, from pomades to beard care products and all that. So I guess that's it, I suppose. So, or before I go, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, and if you loved it, of course, please subscribe. Okay, and that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and watching Beers and Stuff.